Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to be unboxing another package from Whatnot from cash_money86. I will leave their link in the description along with my referral link to my Whatnot. But let's get straight into this unboxing. First off, love the packaging off the bat. I reviewed them once. This is going to be the first video I'm going to be doing. The second video that I do is going to be a little bit bigger, but this one's going to be a little bit smaller, so we'll get this one out for them to watch. But first off, we have a Volkswagen Bug, which is a custom. We also have this Liberty Walk. This is a silhouette Nissan Silvia in that black and gold. Very nice colors. We also are coming with the Subaru WRX STI. One of my favorite cars in real life. Pretty awesome. Next to the Toyota Supra. Then we got the gold X-Ray Cruiser Series 63 Corvette, again with that black on gold action. Now we do have a 80s Firebird. Love these old cars. Beautiful card in that blue. Love it. With the Hot Wheels logo right there on the windshield. And then we got a Lowrider. Lowrider, very beautiful in that red. Let me know what you guys think about everything so far. Then we got the 70 Dodge Challenger Hemi, beautiful car as well. I think I picked up a green one today from Albertsons, which is pretty neat. All right, we got a couple more here. We got a 57 Chevy in that chrome looking color. Beautiful car. Beautiful car. Lay that right there. And last but not least, we have a 3-window 34. Beautiful as well. I love these old school Fords as well. Or just muscle cars like this. But anyways, guys, make sure you guys hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications. And let me know what is your favorite car from this unboxing. Personally, I love the Liberty Walk and the WRX. Every single car that I purchased from them. Those are my two favorites. And gotta go with the hot rod, man. Peace out, guys. Have a great day. Late.